What's up, y'all? Y'all, we back. Oh, shit. Hold on. Y'all, we back with another video. Y'all, we back with another video. So, as y'all can see, man, the package came in. Hold on, let me move y'all over here. My green jacket right there I've been looking for. But look. Let me put y'all somewhere. So, where y'all been? Too high. This might work. By the title, we got some stuff that we put on the car today. So we finna go ahead and get into it. We finna go ahead and jump into it. I ain't finna talk too much. We finna go ahead and get into it. So look, I'm finna bag the car up or whatever. And I'm gonna continue, I'm gonna just go do my thing. So I'm gonna get y'all a cool start. A little cool start. Yeah, I want a cool start. Okay, this one must be for this one. Alright. Spray a little bit, and I'm just clean the tail lights. Don't want to drown anything. Y'all need a camera because people steady calling me. So, okay, I'm trying to see which one gonna go in first. It can't be this one. Must be, okay, it's this one then. All right. Back. Y'all, we got one side on. This shit kind of fucking not lined up all the way. Look, I'm gonna have to fix that. But I try to do it, put it on that dry. I'm gonna go get some water and shit. I'm gonna do it next time with some water so it can be easier. And we painting the brakes again, y'all. I know y'all probably be tired of that. Pussy heady birds. But fuck all that spraying shit. I'm finna get me a water bottle. I'm just splash that shit on there. And just squeeze it out. Damn, drop the water. Yo, it's not perfect, but y'all get what I'm how it's gonna look. It's alright. It ain't come out how I thought it was gonna come out because I really don't know what the fuck I'm doing, but I'm just doing whatever it do. Be honest with you. I'm turning the car on right quick. I'll show y'all how it look. The lights on. I mean, it ain't bad looking, but look at all that water in there. That's why I don't like doing it with water, but it lays so easy with the water on it, but I don't know how to make it stick. I mean, like, get all the water out, but that's how it look. It's not perfect, but I might end up taking this shit off, to be honest, because I just don't like how neat it's not. Like I don't like my shit looking like this, to be honest. But I might just leave it on there. I don't know. So let me finish this one. I'm gonna pull the car and I'm gonna show y'all how it look. Y'all can see, man, it don't look bad from a distance, but when you get up close to it, like when you get up close to it, it really don't. But fuck it, I'm gonna just leave it on there for the time being. Y'all let me know how it look, man. I feel like I might order some more, just because I know how to do it now, because y'all can see on this one look way better than all the other ones. Now we on our way to AutoZone, finna go pick up the white paint, if they even have some. I'm pulling up right now, finna see if they got some, and if they do, we're just gonna go right back to the crib and start painting. I'm trying to hurry up, well, not trying to hurry up, but you know, just trying to get everything done before the meet Saturday. Get everything right, get the car right, so we ain't gotta be rushing none of that extra stuff. So let me run in here right quick, see if they got the stuff. If y'all watching to this point, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, like and comment and share. Y'all done had the paint. I just got the white paint and the clear coat. I already got the primer at the crib. So we finna go ahead and get this started. Finna go ahead and get this done. Get back at y'all whenever I got the car jacked up and ready to paint. You see, man, we painted the brakes out already. White. We already put the clear coat and everything on. I'm just gonna let that dry for a little bit. And I'm cleaning the wheels while the wheels already out. We're getting it behind and stuff. Make this bitch look clean, and after that, I'm gonna slap the wheels back on. I'm gonna do that side, clean the rim, slap the wheels back on, and I'm gonna wipe it down. I'm gonna clean the car, and then I'm gonna give y'all a video when it's cleaned up and everything, so y'all can see. Y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, and y'all don't want to miss this weekend, Saturday. We're going to the city, so y'all stick by for that. We're gonna turn up. Coming out of retirement, we ain't cut up in a little minute, so we're gonna cut up. Y'all can see, y'all, we just finished painting the brakes white. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about that white on white with the bronze rim. I'm fucking with it though, man. I think this the best color I ever even did, for real. I'm finna go down the street and rinse down the car right quick. Try to get it like a little angles and shit with the white tail lights with the white brakes. I am gonna get my sticker made today. I'm gonna vlog that too. I might throw it in here. Shit, yeah, man. We just getting ready for that meat, but shit, I ain't lying, boy. That fucking white on this bitch hit hard. This bitch hit different. I ain't lying. Should have been did this, but man, y'all make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, man, because y'all don't want to miss this Saturday. The video might don't drop until the following week or whatever, but man, y'all still don't want to miss it, bro. Finna rinse down the car, wipe it down. I might tonight I might go somewhere to take some pictures or whatever. I don't know for sure. Depends on if I'm busy or not, but make sure y'all hit the subscribe button though, man. Stay tuned. Y'all let me know if y'all fuck with it. Oh, this bitch dumb. Man, that bitch so hard, bro. I just gotta fix them. Yeah, I just gotta fix them tail lights, man. I'm gonna order me a whole new kit, but son, man, that white on them bronze. Oh, that bitch so dumb, man. I should have been did this. I don't know if the camera can pick it up as good, cause I got this trash ass iPhone, but man, this bitch dumb in person. Oh yeah, this bitch stinking. On my mama, this bitch hit. Oh, that Ooh, just wait until I go get that sticker. That bitch gonna be dumb. I ain't lying, them tail lights kind of throwing me off, but I'ma try to not let that shit bother me until the new kit come in. But y'all, bro, I'm finna go to the vinyl store right quick and go pick up the sticker, the different color sticker. So y'all stick by for that. I'm gonna pick up the camera whenever I feel like it's time to pick y'all back up. So make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Oh my fucking goodness. All right, y'all, we got the stuff. We got the stuff that we need. Let me show y'all the color right quick that we're putting on the back of it. Gonna blind your motherfucking ass. But you can see later on, man, we're gonna pull up on my dog Sumo. We're gonna make the sticker for me, slap it on back of the window. Shit, we're gonna be done. Yes, sir.